To create your first sales invoice, go to the Sales tab, top of your screen, New Invoice, click on Customer and create your new customer. Enter the name of your customer, you can enter their address details, VAT registration, the email address you want the invoice to go to, any telephone number, website, etc. Also payment terms. Save and apply, and your customer's details will appear on your invoice here. The date, the system will always give you the current date, due date, based on the payment terms that you would have entered. Go down to product number, and you will need to create a new product. Give it a number. You'll need to link it to a product group, and that's based on the VAT rate you're going to charge, say standard rate. You can enter a description, you can enter a sales price, which can be overridden at the point of entry. You can also enter a recommended sales price and also a cost price. Save and apply. That information will then appear in your description column. You can add any further information you may wish to. You can also link a document to it if you have further information you wish to email. You can also upload your logo by clicking on this and double click on your logo, and it will then appear in your invoice. You see a breakdown of the totals down here. You can also show your invoice. This will give you a preview of your invoice with the payment terms and also the invoice number, telling your customer which invoice number to quote when they process the payment. It will say draft until it's been booked. When you're ready, you can just book your invoice, and that will also email it out to your customer, pulling up the invoice number and the date. You can also enter additional text in here, should you so wish. And when you're ready, you can book. You can also save the subject line and the body text. And you can go back to your customers. Balance is £120, and you can preview the invoice on the entries on account, and that will show your customer details and the invoice. And if you need to refer back to it, you can click on this icon and the invoice will show, and if you need to email it out again to them, you can send another copy.